now. See, just take out the PPT which I have given in the WhatsApp group. We are solving question number 6.
Okay, ma'am.
Just take it out. Just listen what I am telling. The solution is already there. Just listen. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
But I'll just bring it closer. Students, rise question number 6. I hope everyone has done. You can write it also. It is there in the PPT, question number 6. From the following information, or certain, that is to find out. From the following information, or certain, first one, from the following information, or certain, first one, opening stock. Opening stock, that is on 1/1/2016. Opening stock, that is on 1/1/2016. So you have to find out the opening stock. And we have made a table. While in online class, I have given you the table or it's a PPT में भी है. So which account is not there? So what you have to make? Which account to prepare? So if my opening stock is not there, which account I will prepare? Check the table. Trading account. Opening stock is not there. Which account you will make?
Trading
Memorandum
account.
trading account, not trading account. Memorandum trading account. Okay. Opening stock is not there, right? Second one, purchases made during 2016. Purchases made during 2016. The amount is 2,50,000. The amount is 2,50,000. Purchases made during 2016. The amount is 2,50,000. Third one, sales made during 2016. Sales made during 2016 is 3,25,000. 3,25,000. Next, stock on 31st December 2016. This becomes my closing stock. Stock on 31st December 2016, rupees 60,000. Then comes wages. Wages is rupees 3,000. Wages is rupees 3,000. At the end, they are giving me the rate of gross profit on cost. Rate of gross profit on cost is 25%. Can anyone tell me what is that? कभी ऐसे तुम लोग ने rates निकाले हैं? It's easy. What is there? We'll solve the sum. You will understand. Percentage of sale. If it is 25% on cost, what's the percentage on sales? अब वो कैसे निकालते हैं? I'll do it. It's easy. Okay, so you also see the PPT. Make a format and we'll start the sum. Make memorandum trading account. So to find out closing, opening or closing stock, we need to make account. Same as particular. It's question number 6. Particulars, amount, particulars. If you cannot see the board, it's okay. In the PPT, the solution is there. Okay. सबसे पहले मैंने कौन सा काम बनाया? Memorandum trading account. Why this account is made? To find out opening and closing stock. यहाँ पे they have given me the closing stock. I have to find out the opening stock. जैसे trading में अगर Trading is easy. यहाँ पे लिखा है opening, closing, purchase and sales. Then we get a gross profit. पता है ना? So here everything is there. We don't have a opening. सबसे पहले आप मैं लिख रही हूँ to opening. I just write this is given by my balance sheet. We don't know. We have to find out. पर बाकी सब कुछ दिया है ना? इसके नीचे क्या आएगा? Purchases. Write your two. कितना आएगा purchases? 2,50,000. Then we have the sales. Yes. What is sales? 3 lakh. So all this information will be given. यहाँ पे किसी के plus minus करके ये find out करना है. Sales given, closing profit also given. कितना closing from? 60. Opening, purchase, sales. This is the basic part जो trading में आता ही आता है. Then we have to see अगर expenses extra है कि नहीं. It is there. We have a wages. So right here to wages. What's the amount? 3,000. Now pay attention here. Stop writing. Look at the board. Here we have it in opening, purchase, wages, sales, closing. और information दिया है नहीं. इतना ही होता है trading में. So now what we do? Debit minus credit. हमें यहाँ पे मिलता है gross profit. Yes or no? So here we are not getting the gross profit from plus and minus. This is not my balance figure. My balance figure is this one. So ये कैसे find out करना है? Gross profit दिया है. They have given me the statement that is it is 25% on cost. अब ये क्या होता है? Make sure because this is the basic. अगर मुझे यही नहीं आया आगे नहीं समझेगा. Now they are telling me ये gross profit है ना 25% on cost है. Now what do you mean by cost? Cost क्या होता है? Cost मतलब मेरा खर्चा. So कौन सा खर्चा? ये purchase, ये wages, ये closing stock, ये सब मेरा खर्चा होता है. So इनके ऊपर 25% है. So what we normally gross profit हम किस पे कमाते हैं? It is based on sales now. So I have to find it out. If it is 25% on cost नहीं है मेरे पास, sales पे है. तो sales पे कितना percent रहेगा? Can anyone tell me? कितना percent? Normally people say it's 20%. But कहाँ से आया 20%? You need an explanation as well, ना? No one gives the explanation. आगे बोलते हैं, देखो 25% है ना, तो 20% profit पे ले लेगा. But you need a reason, ना? कहाँ से आया 20%? So it's easy. I have made a working note as well. नीचे दिया है. For online students, नीचे working note है second slide में. You can see it, right? See यहाँ पे लिखा है. Let the cost be 100. So 100 plus 25 is equal to 125. Let the cost be 100. मुझे cost नहीं पता है. So 100 plus 25. 25 क्यों? Because they are telling me it is 25%. 100 plus 25, 120. Now क्या करना है? 125 में से 25% होता है अपने cost. So what will be my sales? इसको जब हम solve करेंगे, I'll get my 20% from sales. कैसे आता है? You should know it. कि आपने अगर दिया 30% on cost, तो मैं करके बैठोगे सेल्स में कितना होगा? नो ना, इट्स इजी. क्या करेगा? 100 plus 30, 130. 30 ऊपर 130 नीचे, multiply by 100. You will get this. And आगे जितने भी हमारे terms है, each and every sum will contain this. यहाँ पे नहीं समझा, आगे नहीं समझेगा. It's easy. Let the cost be 100. 100 plus 25 because they are giving me it is 25%. 100 plus 25, 125. 25 was 125 was 125 out of 25% दिया हुआ. Into 100, 100 because I need a percentage. 20% on sale. I hope this is clear. Yes, copy that working note.